Where are we going, guys? We going fishing?
Yeah, we're going fishing.
All right. Where at? The local pond?
Yeah.
Okie doke. I'll see you out there.
Yeah.
Nice, dude. Great job. All right.
Easy.
Oh.
Easy. Easy.
All right. Let's get this guy. Hey, now.
You didn't get a video.
I got a little video. You caught him pretty quick.
Yay. That was the one.
There it is. Good job, Hunter. All right, dude. There it is. First fish of the morning. All right. It's not going to hurt you. See? Touch. All right. Let's get him back here. Catch him again.
Will it slowly go off?
Yep. Just giving him a break. Helping him out.
Looks like that was the spot.
Uh-huh. There you go. Good job, dude. Go ahead. Then you mess up. Go ahead. Good job. Not too far back. There you go. Good. There you go. That was pretty good.
Is it on?
Yeah, you got one. I'm pretty sure that's it.
Yeah, it's pulling it.
You got it, buddy. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, look at
Yay!
Good job, Nick. Good job, Dexter. There it is. Okay. Good job, Nick.
You caught a fish!
That's just looking at, that's just a look at our house.
Yeah! You did it!
Yeah.
What is it? What kind of fish is it, Rhett?
It's a trout. Touch it.
That leg.
Oh no!
Swallowed that pretty good.
Did it? Rhett, what do you think?
Can we bring it home?
I don't know if we're gonna bring it home. Come here. Watch Daddy, stay right there. Careful, there's the string.
I have to go through it.
Careful.
Yeah.
It's stuck.
Yeah.
Sure.
Oh, yeah.
It's slimy, huh? Good job,
Take a
buddy.
picture
You
with
did
it.
so good.
Yay!
Here, look at mommy. Look at mommy.
Look at you.
I got a fish.
All right.
Fishing, loving every day. Fishing every day. Thank God fishing, loving every day. Black coffee in the morning.
It's okay. Slow down. Nothing? Yeah, there's one on there. There's a little one on there. Good job. All right. Ooh, that's a fighter. All right.
We're all about the same size.
Yeah, that's all right.
What am I doing?
Hey, slow down, buddy.
Slide. Ooh, that was a nice one. There was one that jumped there. Why do you want that?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Good job, bud. That's a good one.
Woo!
Woo!
Woo.
Put it in the water. Wait, here comes Dad. Look at it.
Yeah.
Try and get it in the water.
Good job, Hunter. Brett, don't step on that pole, please. Come here.
This one gonna be survivor.
We don't know yet.
Try hold it.
Of course, if I can get my hands on it.
He's a
That's
wiggly one.
That's the same thing with mine.
See, Hunter, you did this one all by yourself. You saw the bobber go down.
Yeah, you put the pull up, but I'll count it as mine.
I just gave you the pole.
Mom, I'm pretty sure the bobber went down.
Yep. There you go, bud.
Okay. Put the pole down.
Good job, buddy.
And let it
Go up,
rest,
though.
okay? Just let them rest a little bit.
I hope it will be a survivor.
It should be fine.
Oh, that one died.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here you go.
Hold it tight. Look at me.
Here you go.
Woo! Oh, no. Get it.
Yep, you gotta hold them tight.
Oh, no.
Alright, let's look. Okay, Hunter. Good job netting that fish. You got it?
Oh.
Mine.
Oh, here you go.
There you go, bud.
On mine.
Let me
On
see.
mine. On
Good
mine.
job, buddy. Want to put it back in the water?
Alright, go ahead, release it.
Put it back
And
in.
what you do is you just hold it like you have it. Just let it catch its breath. And you kind of start letting go of your grip. And then you just let it swim out of your hands, okay? Try and get a little bit more in the water. Release your grip, buddy. There you go. It's just getting its strength back.
What's that for him?
You're not gonna fall.
There it
There it
goes.
Good job, Hunter. That was perfect, bud.
Good job, bud.
See how it is?
Oh.
Nice job, bud.
Woohoo.
Good job, bud. You got off the hook on your own.
Oh.
Come on.
That's all right. Still counts. Good job,
I
buddy.
didn't go up there. I don't see my bobber.
I see it.
I see it. Hi, lunch. We just got so many.
All right, how many did we catch?
We caught 6.
6.
I caught 2.
You caught 2 of the 6. How many did you catch, Hunter?
3 of the 6.
3 of the 6, and Mom caught
How
1.
many I caught?
Dad got skunked. Just kidding.
This is how many I got.
That's how many you got? All right. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and
Bye.
subscribe.
Bye.